Hi friends, for our math journal today, you're going to need your color by number, a pencil, and some crayons. Now let's remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, now let's look at our color code. If you see the number 1, you're going to color it hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue. The big sky's blue, the ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue. If you see the number 2, you're going to color it R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. All right. If you see the number 3, you're going to color it P-I-N-K, pink, P-I-N-K, pink. All right. And if you see the number 4, you're going to color it G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. I know how to spell green, G-R-E-E-N. Then if the sum, if what is left is 5, you're going to color it Y-E-L-L-O-W, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Okay, so we need to look at our subtraction sentences. Let's start right here. 5 minus 4. Okay, we're going to think about the answer. What is left? 5 minus 4. Okay, so you can use a picture. You could draw it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cross out minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. You can use your fingers. You can start with 5, take away 4, 1 is left. You can use your snap cubes. You can put out 5 snap cubes, take away 4, and 1 will be left. Okay, so you're going to get your answer. The answer is 1. So you're going to color anything you see a 1. What's left is 1. You're going to color it blue. All right. Okay, my friends. So first, you're going to color in your code so you know what colors to use. Then you're going to solve your subtraction sentence and color by the code, and you'll have a cool mystery picture. All right, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.